Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video. Like I always say, but I'm gonna say it again, if you are new here, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see, and to all my old timers, thank you for sticking around with me this long. Appreciate it. Today, you guys, I have a lot of new products to test out for you guys to try. This is going to be a full face of Hynt Beauty or Hynt Beauty. Excuse me if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm not sure if it's Hynt or Hynt. I want to say Hynt, but I believe it's Hynt. So I'm going to use the both pronunciations interchangeably throughout the video. But if you guys know the exact pronunciation, leave it in the comment section. But I'm using a full face of their products. How say you did we come about to this? I guess from my video way back when, which is titled Dear Green Beauty Companies, Representation Matters. I will leave that video link right there, if you guys want to watch it. And basically I was just saying, in the green beauty community, it is difficult for people of color to find products that really work on their skin tone. Some companies didn't like it, and a lot of companies, the good thing though with a lot of companies reached out to me for us to see what we can do to make this better, and Hynt was one of those companies. It was a discussion. They reached out to me and I was like, nah, I don't really think your product's gonna work for my skin tone. Check your website, and they clapped back. Well, they didn't really clap back, but they responded like, no Kaya journey, no Kaya. Trust me when we say we have products that can work for your skin tone. We're gonna send you a box full of everything and you're going to see it. And if something doesn't work for you, it's okay. You know, we'll work on it, but basically there is something for you from our company. One thing that they did mention to me is to help them more. Basically, if you guys or myself wear any products that is from Hynt Beauty, please tag them on their social media sites with the tag Hynt Beauty so that they can repost those pictures to have a more diverse image on their social media sites. Let's see if they really hold up to that commitment of reposted images of different skin tones once you tag them. So without further ado, a lot of talking, but I feel like I had to explain that. Let's get into the products because it's a lot. But some things they sent me were full size, some things are sample. I'm not sure if you guys have ever been to their website. Their products are more on the high end price point. So I do understand why they couldn't send me full size of everything, which is no problem. I'm a samples girl anyway. You guys know I love my samples, so that's fine by me. Skin Prep Serum, and it's supposed to give you a dewy, not shiny look. So it's not gonna be matte. On their site, they have two different foundations. They have the Encore Fine Press Powder Foundation, and they also have the, and I'm gonna butcher these names, I'm so sorry, Veluto Pure Powder Foundation. And I got both. What I'm going to do, instead of making two different videos, I'm going to try on both foundations for you. I'm going to try one on one side and one on the other side, just to kill two birds with one stone. The Veluto Pure Powder Foundation in the color VF07 Rich Chestnut. So this is the side with the foundation in Rich Chestnut, I believe. Let me just make sure. Yes, Rich Chestnut. This is the side with the foundation. And this has nothing. And this, I believe, is the darkest color that they have. I believe this is the darkest shade. I wished they did have darker skin tones for people that are darker than me. Encore Fine Pressed Powder Foundation, and this is in the color Rich Chestnut. And I believe this is the darkest shade again as well. Flip the hair to the other side. Listen, I'm not even mad at it. I don't even know what to say. Like, I just wish it was just a smidgen more rich in tone. But honestly, I like it. I do. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do you prefer this side, the Encore, or do you prefer this side, the Veluto? Eyeshadows. Now, I was sent 4 different eyeshadows. This is the Perfecto Pressed Eyeshadow in the color Khaki Star. Rosy Velvet. Very soft and creamy. I was also sent 2 loose shadows. The Stella eyeshadow in the color Champagne. Ooh, that's the color right there of Champagne. The Stella eyeshadow again in the color Honey Gold. Really pretty, like a very copper gold color, honey gold. We are about to kick the crazy up a notch, just in case I wasn't crazy enough. I mean, they sent me 4 eyeshadows and I want to use all 4 eyeshadows to show you guys what it looks like. So we're gonna use all 4 eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna create a separate look on this eye with 2 shadows and a separate look on this eye with 2 other shadows. Thank me later. Don't judge the look, please. I don't want to add any other colors except for the ones that Hynt sent me because I really want to review their products. So there's not going to be any transition color, you know, all of that stuff. I'm just going to apply both colors just to see how pigmented they are on the lids. Also just to see their staying power, how blendable they are. So do not judge me for how the eyeshadow looks come out. Thank you. Let's go with Khaki first. Khaki Star. This is a pretty like army green color with hints of gold flecks. That's the best way I can describe this color. Go in with Velvet. Pigmentation is coming through, yes. Alright. So this is how the first eyeshadow look came about. Like I said, just 2 shadows. Don't judge me. It is what it is. Now for this left side, I'm going to go in first with Honey Gold. Ooh. Yeah, okay. Honey Gold, I don't know if I picked up too much. But yo, Honey Gold is ridiculous. Pigmentation on 100. And now I'm going to go in with Champagne. And just put that right in the center right there, I guess. I don't know where to put Champagne because Honey Gold just came and was like, I'm taking over. So let's just put Champagne, let's just pop Champagne right there. I don't know. We're gonna line the eyes and this is their Forte High Definition Eyeliner Pencil. And it comes with a smudger first and then you take this part off and that's where the actual pencil is. Listen, it's a look. So I lined my eyes with the black eyeliner pencil. Nothing much to say about that. It's an eyeliner pencil, it's black, it worked, it's fine. Have no issues there, no issues with this one. It's a look. I mean, I know y'all probably looking at me like I'm crazy, but it's a look. This is their Nocturne Mascara. And this is in the color black. This is a mascara with a few coats applied. Just to show you the comparison, this eye has no mascara. This eye has the mascara. But I see lengthening and separation. So this is definitely, in my opinion, a lengthening mascara. Not a volumizing, it's more lengthening and separating your lashes. Sorry if it's a long video, but I really wanted to just get you guys a full, detailed, in-depth review of all of their products. Just bear with me if it's too long. Sorry. I mean, it is what it is. You want the full tea? I'm gonna give you the full tea. Now we're gonna go into their concealer. Duet Perfecting Concealer. This is the color Dark right here. And this one is the color Deep. So out of the two, Dark is lighter and Deep is the darker color of the two. And of course, you know we're gonna try out both of them. Dark under that eye. And then now we're going to use this finger and apply Deep under this eye. Both concealers applied. This is dark, this is deep. My preference, I don't know, I like both of them. Definitely more of a highlighted look on this side. This side is definitely more of a natural look. So depends on the situation, depending where I'm going, I could wear both. Let me know what you guys think. Do you prefer dark or do you prefer deep? I'm going to do some blush. I received 2 blushes from them, so you know what that means, right? All right, One blush on this side, one blush on this side. Let's get it. Both plum purple color. It's just that one is a radiant, which means the shimmer blush, and the other one is a matte color blush. So which side should get the shimmer and which side should get the matte? Ooh, what is to do? Alto matte. So the matte blush is gonna go on this side. Okay. Starting off light, then we're gonna build it up. The shimmer blush I'm gonna apply to this side. Woo! Okay, I went too quick. I went in too quick with too much. I didn't expect this. Let's see if we can just blend it out. Please, let's blend it out. Okay, we blended it out. This is the radiant blush. This is the matte blush. Both a plum purple color, but one is more matte, one is more radiant. I like both. It depends on the look that I'm going for. I like both. Two finishing powders. I think I have so much stuff on my face already. Where am I gonna put? Where am I gonna put these powders? Like where? I'm gonna have to find space somewhere on this big old face to put them. This is Lumiere. This is the sample. This is the Radiant Boosting Powder. This Lumiere finishing powder will give you more of a radiant look. And the other one is the Finale. This is the color Neutral Yellow. This will give you more of a matte finish. Where do I put them? Which one do I put on which side? And this is already too much stuff on my face. I'm not trying to look cakey, so what do I do? The Finale powder on this side, which is the more matte finishing powder. Not too much in the middle of my face, but in the areas of my face that only has foundation, like down here. And like by my forehead area. I don't want to put too much stuff by the blush and all that. Lumiere, the more radiant powder, the one that's supposed to give me a more radiant look on the other side of my face. According to the website, both of these powders can be worn on their own just to give your natural skin a boost, whether you want your natural skin to have a little bit of a glow to it, or if you want to mattify your natural skin, both powders can be used on their own. Almost to the end. Now it's time for the lip products. 3 lip products to try out for you guys. First, we're going to start with the lipstick. This is the Aria lipstick in the color Pomegranate. The cool thing about their lipsticks is that it comes with a mirror right up top right there, so you can see what you're doing, and it also comes with a lip balm right there. So if your lips are dry, just pop it open, has the mirror, and it has a lip balm for you. This is Pomegranate on the lips. Also, if you guys want to see more of Hynt or Hynt Beauty lipsticks, I have an entire video dedicated to where I swatched all of their lipsticks. So if you want to see that video, right there, the link is right there, where you can see me swatch all of their lipsticks on my lips. Libre lip gloss in the color Burgundy Cherry. This is the Libre lip gloss in the color Une Femme. Alright you guys, we made it to the end of trying on all the products from Hynt Beauty. I mean, my whole face is full of their products. I know it looks a little bit cray-cray, just a little bit, but it's okay because I really wanted to test out all the products for you guys. Let me know what you think. Which side do you prefer? Are you a left Hynt side person or a right Hynt side person? Left Twix or right Twix? Let me, you guys decide. Anyway, this is not really the end of the video though, because I really want to test the products for you guys. So I'm going to sacrifice and I'm going to dedicate and I'm going to wear these products for the entire day and come back and give you guys a recap. Surprisingly, I like it. I feel like the products look good. I mean, you guys are the judge of it. The only thing though is obviously I do wish the foundation came in darker shades because I am not the darkest of the dark. What you guys can definitely do is if you want the darker shades, if you're darker than me, Go ahead on their social media sites. Let your voices be heard. Ask them for the deeper shades. That's what I did. I would ask for deeper shades. I'll make videos about not having deeper shades. I'm just a big mouth just letting it out there to see what can happen. Anyway, let's wear it for the whole entire day and let's see what happens at the end of the day. Let's see how it lasts. Let's see if it's dewy. Let's see how the face is looking, and I'll come back and report to you guys. Right now the time is 12:12 in the day. Get some work done, and I'll come back to report to you guys later. Taking you guys outside. No filter, no flash, nothing, just outside in the daytime. And this is how it's looking. Alright, I see you, Hynt. Okay, YouTube family, I am back. The time now is 4:51 in the afternoon. I wore this entire face for approximately 5 hours, and this is how it's looking. Honestly, the lipstick was all gone because I ate, I drank, I did a lot of things. I just reapplied the lip gloss. But this is how the face is looking. The nose, of course, is shiny. I expected that. My final assessments about the entire product and the product line. I like it, and I was very surprised by that because from looking on their website and from the images that I saw, I wouldn't think that they would have much things catered to my skin tone. But a good amount of the products do. Now, the most important product to me is the foundation. Like I said, for me, it's passable for my skin tone, but is it perfect? No. I wish it just had a little bit more color to it, a little bit more depth, a little bit more richness to it, but it is passable. Everything else though, from the eyeshadows, the lip gloss, the lipsticks, the mascara, the eyeliner, the blushes, the concealers, my under eye. You know what? Let me just fix the nose right now because this is just bothering me. Everything else, the lipstick, everything else, I would say give it a try. And like they said, if we try it, we repost the pictures. I mean, we try it, we post the pictures, we tag them, they repost us. That will give more inclusion on their, more diversity on their social media sites. At your own convenience, take a look on their website, on their social media sites, and see if there's anything that interests you. To you again, Hynt Beauty, thank you for reaching out to me. Like I said in the video that I made called Dear Green Beauty Companies, Representation Matters, I did say one of the challenges that I had for most of these green beauty companies is to a more wide range of darker skin tone people on their PR list to try out their products. So I really thank you for listening and for deciding to reach out to me and for including me so that I can try out the products to showcase how they look on our skin tone. Now with that said, let's see if that continues. I don't know, but for right now, I just want to say thank you for that. Hopefully this video helped you if you're ever interested in trying out Hynt Beauty products. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for following me. If it wasn't for the support and the love and all the support from you guys, these companies would not be reaching out to me. It's all you guys, my subscribers, my followers. Thank you guys so much, my supporters. It's because of you it is because of you why these companies are noticing me and reaching out to me, and I really want to thank you guys first and foremost. All right, that's enough talking. I'm all tired. I'm done now. Pick up my child from school. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure whatever you do, you're enjoying your journey. Have a great day and bye.